This winter, if your furnace isn't putting out as much hot air as you would like, there's a couple things you can check. First, look at your thermostat, make sure that it's set to the right position and that it's working the way it should. If everything's correct there, come down, in this situation, come down to the basement to your furnace, and we're going to check the filter. The first thing you need to do when you're going to do this is, you can hear the unit running right now, you're going to need to flip the switch to turn it off. Now, there will always be a switch very similar to this right next to your furnace. You want to turn that off because when you go to pull the filter out, if the unit's running, the filter can get sucked in there. It's not likely to happen, but it could possibly happen. So you always want to make sure the unit's off. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, we're going to take the filter cover off, pull out the old filter. We can see that this filter is dirty. This is what a clean filter looks like. You can see how dirty that one is. We're going to set it aside, check our airflow, make sure it's always going the right direction. Put the new filter in. So we're going to put the filter cover back on, come back up here, flip the switch back on. It'll take a few minutes for the unit to fire up. Hopefully that fixed your problem. If it didn't, give Fulton Services a call. We'll be happy to come out, do a further diagnostic on your system, and see what's really going on.